Hello everybody, today got a little adventure going. Going out to our winter range with taking the motorcycle with me. I'm gonna go out and just do some checking on some cows. We've thought we got some cows that maybe shouldn't be, or where they shouldn't be. We haven't seen them, so well, I got a little bit of time this afternoon, so I'll just take the bike and run out there and go. So quite a deal. I just stopped and bought some gas for the bike, and I always try to keep a few gallons or a few jugs of gas around for my wheel line movers and stuff around the farm there, and bought some of that ethanol free gas, almost $6 a gallon. Unbelievable what we're living in right now with all this inflation and gas prices. But anyway, they say it's a lot better for the machine, so that's what I've been buying. So alrighty, we'll see what we got to come. Alrighty, well, I made it out here to the desert, just gonna get ready to unload the bike. The wind is freaking howling out here. That makes pretty poor to YouTube, and so I've got the GoPro. I got one of these deals I've never used before. It's a chest harness, so I might strap it on. We'll see if I can get up in there and get in the trees and get out of the wind a little bit. But shoot, down here where I'm parked right now, the wind's blowing 20-30 miles an hour. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Okay, here's my GoPro crew right here. Gonna do the videoing for us.
Camera crew?
This is the camera crew right here. Yeah, they're on the razor. Yeah, here we go. Okay, Ella's got the camera. Made it! That's a challenge. That loose stuff is hard, man. Was you in 4-wheel drive? You wasn't you?
Yeah, just put it up.
Thank you.
You're going up that box right here. Right there?
Okay.
Yeah, she wasn't side. She didn't have a false side there.
Oh. Well, we do a lot of editing on this YouTube too.
How many videos you
105 from the one I did yesterday. But yeah, see, that'll be the third time I've been up that one. And the second time was about like that. I mean, my legs are gangling all over the place, but made it. Alrighty, well, we made it back from the little ride. Gotta go check on the cow's water next is on the list for the day, but great little ride. It's a little bit warm, not too bad on the bike, getting plenty of air around you, but went and found a different place to bring the cows down off the hill, so I think that's gonna work out really good for us. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.